Hey Ben, how was your day?
Oh, it was all right. I had a lot of work to do. How about you?
Pretty good. I went to the new cafe downtown. You should have come with me.
I didn't even know there was a new cafe. How was it?
It was great. The coffee was amazing, and the pastries were to die for.
Sounds delicious. Maybe I'll check it out this weekend.
You should. The place has a cozy vibe.
I need some new spots to relax. Work has been stressful lately.
Tell me about it. The office is chaotic these days.
Exactly. And don't even get me started on the meetings.
I hear you. We had a 3-hour one today. Ridiculous, right?
3 hours? That's insane. Were you even able to get anything done?
Not really. Just sat there taking notes. By the end, my mind was completely fried.
I can only imagine. Do you have any fun plans this weekend?
Actually, I'm going hiking with some friends. We're going to a place up in the mountains.
That sounds awesome. I haven't been hiking in ages.
You should join us. It would be great to have you along.
I'd love to, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to make it. Got a few things to take care of.
Too bad, but I get it. Maybe next time.
Yeah, definitely. I need a break from all this stress.
You deserve it. But hey, maybe we could do something low-key together this weekend.
I'd love that. How about a movie night?
That sounds perfect. We could order pizza and watch a few of those Netflix documentaries you like.
You know me so well. I'm in.
Great! Let's pick a time. What works for you?
How about Saturday evening? I'll be free then.
Perfect. I'll bring the popcorn.
And I'll get the drinks. Deal?
Deal. So, what else is new with you?
Not much, just trying to survive the chaos at work.
Same here. It's been non-stop. But I did start reading a new book.
Oh, nice. What's it about?
It's a thriller. I'm only a few chapters in, but it's already...
I love thrillers. What's the title?
It's called The Silent Patient. Have you heard of it?
I have. I've been meaning to read it. You think it's...
Absolutely. The twist in the middle was jaw-dropping.
Now I really want to read it. You've got me intrigued.
I promise, you won't be able to put it down.
I'll add it to my reading list for sure.
You should. I can't wait to finish it.
I need to catch up on my reading. I've been slacking lately.
Trust me, I get it. I've been so busy that I can barely read a few pages before bed.
Same. I wish there was more time in the day.
If only. Sometimes I feel like I need to clone myself just to get everything done.
I've thought the same thing. That would make life a lot easier.
Imagine all the things we could get done with two of us.
Oh, for sure, we'd be unstoppable.
So, how's your family doing?
They're good. My sister's expecting a baby.
Wow, that's so exciting. Congratulations to her.
Thanks. I'm going to be an uncle. Can't wait to meet the little one.
That's going to be so much fun. Have they picked a name yet?
Not yet. They're still deciding.
It must be hard choosing the perfect name.
Yeah, they're being picky, but I think they've narrowed it down to a few options.
That's good. Are you excited to spoil the baby?
Oh, definitely. I'm already planning to get some cool toys.
You're going to be the fun uncle. I can tell.
You bet I will. I'll spoil that kid rotten.
I'm sure your sister will love that.
She probably will. She's a little nervous, though. First time mom and all.
I can imagine. It's a big adjustment.
Yeah, but she's tough. She'll handle it just fine.
Absolutely. She has a great support system.
True. And my mom is already making sure she has everything she needs.
That's great. It's nice to have family around for support.
For sure. Speaking of which, how's your family?
They're good. My parents are planning a trip to Europe this summer.
That sounds amazing. I bet they're looking forward to it.
They are. They've been talking about it non-stop.
What countries are they visiting?
They're going to France, Italy, and Spain.
Wow, that's an incredible itinerary.
I know, right? I'm a little jealous.
Yeah, I'd be jealous too. Have you been to Europe before?
Once. But it was just a short trip to London. I'd love to go back and visit other countries.
Same here. Europe has so much history and culture.
Definitely. I'd love to see the Eiffel Tower and the Colosseum.
Those are on my list too. Maybe we can go together someday.
That would be amazing. Let's make it happen.
It's a deal. We'll start planning after our movie night.
Sounds like a plan.
You know, I've been meaning to ask you, what's the best part about being in your family?
That's a good question. I'd say the support we give each other. We've always got each other's backs.
That's really nice. I think my family is like that too.
It's so important, especially in tough times.
Definitely. Do you all have any fun traditions?
Oh yeah. Every year we do a big family barbecue in the summer. It's so much fun.
That sounds awesome. We do a family reunion every year. It's always a blast.
It's nice to have those traditions to look forward to.
I agree. It makes family time feel special.
So, what's one thing you've learned from your family?
I've learned the importance of being there for each other, no matter what.
That's really beautiful. I've learned that too.
Family is everything.
Couldn't agree more.
You know, I'm really glad we've become such good friends, Anna.
Me too, Ben. I'm grateful for our friendship.
Here's to many more movie nights, trips, and family stories.
Cheers to that. I'm looking forward to it all.
Same here, let's make it happen.
Absolutely. We'll take on the world, one adventure at a time.
You know it.
All right. Movie night is officially scheduled.
I'll be there with popcorn in hand.
And I'll bring the candy.
Deal. Let's make it a night to remember.
It's a date.
Can't wait!